Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have m cubed minus m square equals to 100, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here the very first step we are going to do is we first rearrange this equation and we move this 100 in the left hand side, and it will be written as m cubed minus m square minus 100 equals to 0. So because this is our cubic equation, and you see here the highest exponent of m is 3, so it means that this quadratic equation has 3 roots. So now here we need to find these 3 roots, so that here first we rewrite this equation as m cubed minus m square minus, we have this is 100, and we write it as minus 125 plus 25, and this is equals to 0. So here we see that minus 125 plus 25 equals to minus 100. So we write this term in this way, and after that we write this equation as m cubed minus m square minus, we have this is 125, so we write this as 5 cubed, and plus this is 25, and we write this as 5 square equals to 0. So here we make the pair of cubic term and the square term. So first we write the cubic term, so we have m cubed minus the second cubic term is m5 cubed. So here we take common minus sign from these two square terms, and it will be written as minus m square minus 5 square equals to 0. So after this step, here we need two nice formulas, which one is cubic and the other is square. So we know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the over cubic formula which we need in the first term, and here we need the square identity. It is a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use these two nice formula to the above equation. So after applying these two formula, our above equation will be written as, this is m cubed minus 5 cubed, and it will be equals to m minus 5 times of m square plus 5m plus 5 square, and minus this is the square identity. We use this formula here, and it will becomes m minus 5 times of m plus 5 equals to 0. So here we use these two formulas to the above term, and its output will be looks like in this form. And here you see that we have m minus 5 be the common factor, so that we take common m minus 5, and the remaining terms are m square plus 5m plus, we have 5 square becomes 25, and here we take common m minus 5, and the remaining terms are m plus 5, and we multiply this minus sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as minus m minus 5 equals to 0. So in the next step we have m minus 5 into m square, and this is 5m minus m becomes 4m, and this is 25 minus 5 becomes plus 20, and this whole equals to 0. So here we have two cases. Our first case is we take m minus 5 equals to 0, and the second case is we take m square plus 4m plus 20 equals to 0. So in the first case, we easily get the first real root of the given question is m equals to 5, and now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation, and we have a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 20, and we know that our quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula, and its output will be written as, so this is minus b and the value of b is 4, so it will becomes minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. So our b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 20 divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1. So after this step here we need a little bit simplification, and we have this is minus 4 plus minus square root of this is 4 square, and we know that 4 square becomes 16 minus this 4 times of 20 is equals to 80, and this is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So here we just subtract these two values, and when we subtract these two values it will be written as minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 80 is equals to minus 64 divided by 2. So in the next step here we just separate the square root on these two terms, and it will be written as minus 4 plus minus. So here we have the square root of 64 and square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So here we need little bit simplification, and we write it as minus 4 plus minus. We know that the square root of 64 is equals to 8, and the square root of minus 1 is equals to iota, and this whole divided by 2. So here we need to separate this fraction, and when we separate this fraction it will be written as minus 4 divided by 2 and plus minus 8 iota is divided by 2. So here we need cancellation here, and when we simplify these terms it will be written as 2 times of 2 becomes 4, and we have minus 2 plus minus this is 2 times of 4 is 8, and we get here 4 iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, but these are the complex roots. So finally we have the three roots of the given equation. So first root is m equals to 5, or we name it as m1 equals to 5. Second root is m2 equals to minus 2 plus 4 iota, and its third root is m3 equals to minus 2 minus 4 iota. So these are the three roots of the given equation, because our given equation is cubic. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.